أنا مدرسة شريعة إسلامية.
Would you kindly introduce yourself before you put your question?
قدمي نفسك وعرفي بنفسك قبل تقديم السؤال من فضلك.
لينا خربطلي من سوريا.
She said
لينا خربط.
It's too short.
ارفعي من صوتك.
لينا خربطلي من سوريا.
من سوريا.
أنا
Wife of.
أنا مدرسة زوجتي.
Yes, that's what I wanted the full time. That's what I.
She said, Hazur, when I go back to my country, I'll be a teacher of Islamic Sharia. And what will I teach? What I have learned from the teaching of the promised Messiah, peace be on him, or what the government will ask me to teach, because I feel too many teaching will conflict with what I have promised Messiah, and what's Hazur's advice?
Says to follow the Quran and prove that your interpretation to which you are guided by the promised Messiah is the correct one, and the other interpretation is wrong. This is what Islam himself has done. Whenever he presents information, he always supports it with the verses of the Quran and builds the argument so powerfully that the mullahs are completely disarmed. They have nothing left with them to defend their own interpretations against the interpretation of the Muslim of Islam. So don't deliver your lectures with an air of arbitration. I have said that this is true. Nobody would accept it. You tell them this is what common people believe, this is what the orthodoxy understands from this. So you must tell their view as well. Just do not present your own alone. You better begin with theirs. You should tell them, to be honest to you, I must first of all tell you what you should officially believe. This is the official understanding of the orthodoxy, which you are supposed to believe. Now I present to you what I believe. And here are my arguments, why I believe in them, in the new interpretation. So in that way, you will not be considered committing the crime of hiding the faith of the people to whom you are teaching. If you do it without this precaution, you go on teaching them Ahmadiyyah or the Ahmadiyya views, of which you are convinced they are true, still that would not be fair to them, because they will not be able to compare these with the old official views they should have held.